Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Priyal. Today's video I'm gonna be using the cheapest product from Nykaa and I'm gonna use it and create a makeup look with it. So if you're interested, please keep watching. I'm quite scared of using such products. I'm just making it for the video, as if you're investing in something, you should invest in good products than just wasting your money in buying cheap products and spoiling your face. So I'm just making it for the video for you to know that there are some products, some cheap products that work like magic for your face, and I use some, but like some of the products, not all. I chose these products by the filter that is available in the app, and using that filter I applied the price low to high, and according to that whatever product popped up first I chose that one. So, and I'm gonna link all the products in the description. After seeing my review, then only check out the link. Okay, so first I'm gonna use the aloe vera gel. It can work as a primer to you and also as a moisturizer to you. There are a lot of sizes available in this aloe vera gel, so you can purchase it accordingly, and it's under 100. Next I'm going to use the Insight Makeup Essential Concealer, and it was also for 100, and the shade is NC1 Porcelain. I don't know. Okay, I will mention the link in the description so you can easily find it. So I'm gonna try it. I don't know how it will turn out. Okay, it's easily blendable. I thought, like, while applying I thought that it might be a bit harsh while blending, so for blending purpose I don't think it's a bad product. Yeah, totally blended with my skin tone. It blended so well. Now I don't know if it's my accurate shade or not, but it totally blended with it, and I just guessed that it might be my shade, because it's pretty hard to find your own shade, especially while shopping online. Okay, so I don't need to drag it because it's not that harsh on my skin, so I think it's a nice product. According to its price, I think it's a very nice product. For the ones who have dark circles or dark under eyes, I don't think it would work for them, as it's not a full coverage concealer, and it didn't actually cover that much, but still you can use it like if you want a BB cream look, so you can definitely use this type of concealer. Yeah. Next is the foundation. Also, yes, I apply concealer first and then foundation, as then it doesn't leave any white patches on your face if you apply a light concealer or something like that. So I always apply concealer first. It's totally up to you if you want to apply concealer first or foundation first. Okay, so the foundation that I'm gonna use is Lasting Glow Foundation LA18. The shade is LA18, and I don't know how it will turn out, as this is also for 100 rupees only, and let's try. For the quantity wise, I don't think that it's bad. For 100 rupees, it smells good, surprisingly. Is this my shade? I don't know. I think so. It might blend. I took a very small amount as I wasn't sure first. I think it's scented. The foundation is scented, which is actually not good for your skin, I think, as scented foundations are not good. Okay, so overall I think the foundation blended quite well. The only drawback I am finding in this that it's scented. Like there is a very nice smell in this, but that is what is harmful, right? Scented ones are mostly harmful to the skin. So I would personally avoid using this foundation. I didn't expected it to be like this much blendable. I thought that it will be rough and patchy, but it is not. So I wouldn't say the product is bad, just the scent is just making it, questionable. So personally I wouldn't use something that is scented so much, and that too a foundation. So I would personally avoid it, and I want you guys also to avoid scented ones. Okay, so the next one is the compact powder. Now it is the Dazzler Classic Compact Powder. I don't know, this was the cheapest one. The price is 80 rupees. Oh, it also has a sponge. Oh my god. Also a mirror. That's good. The packaging is like quite good. This is up. You can see the reflection. I'm so sorry. Okay, so it has a mirror and the powder. Let's try if the powder is my shade or not. The powder is not that good. Like, it's covering nothing. It seems to be like I'm applying nothing on my face. Like, if you apply a powder, compact powder, you can see something, right? A matte feeling, nothing. I won't recommend you this one. And for 80 rupees, what do you expect? But still, like, it should do something. It's not doing anything. I would give it a thumbs down, definitely. The packaging was very attractive. Like, you get it in other fancy compact powders. Like in Fit Me compact powder also you get a mirror, the sponge and everything. So like the appearance is quite good, but inside part when it's important to work, it's not good. So I won't recommend you this powder at all. Okay, so next is your mascara. It is the Swiss Beauty Precision Mascara. Let's try it. There were more mascaras that were cheaper. This was for 169, I think. Yeah, there were more mascaras which were cheaper, but the shape was like very different from the normal mascaras. I thought they might send you the kajal or something. It looked like kajal, you know. So I didn't buy that one, and I chose a little bit cheaper one. Okay, the packaging is very pretty, as you can see. I love the packaging, but again, the main thing is how the product works. Let's see. Okay, there's a lot of mascara in the start. Okay, let's try it. Okay, so I don't know if you can see the volume, but I can. And for a normal mascara also, I apply a lot of coats, you know. And for this also, you know, I apply 2 to 3 coats. But the volume, I'm so shocked that for 169, such a great quality mascara. The best thing comes always in the last, you know. So I'm quite impressed with it. And I have Maybelline 2 mascaras with me, and I didn't find any difference actually. Those mascaras also give me this much volume, and I need to apply it 2 to 3 times at least. I'm quite impressed with this one. You can see, I don't know if you can see that clearly, but this eye, I have not applied anything in this eye, and this eye, just look at it. Okay, so Mascara gives like a total different look. You know, after applying mascara, it just changes the whole makeup game. So I think mascara is like very important. And this mascara totally worked like magic. Definitely one of my favorite one. The cheapest but the best. And Swiss Beauty products, I personally love using them. In the start as a beginner, I had used Swiss Beauty concealer. Their concealers are also amazing, guys, and they are also in the 169 range. So I would definitely recommend you the concealer too. And their mascara also, I am a big fan now. So definitely a big thumbs up. Okay, so the last product for the day is the Lakme Lip Love Mango Lip Balm. I'm gonna use it as a blush, as my lipstick, and it smells so yummy. I just feel like eating it. Lip balms are like my favorite. Also as a blush, I am not that great fan of blush, but I'm gonna apply it anyway. Just make your face look so red. I don't know why people love it. Like, there are people. I also love applying it, but like on heavy makeup. Okay, so the products that I'm gonna keep, like in the keep section means I'm gonna use it more often, is the mascara, the number one thing that I love, and the concealer. The concealer can be used as your BB cream, as it is not full coverage. That's why I'm calling it a BB cream. Just to give it a no makeup feels, just for that purpose. So definitely these two products I'm going to use it more often. The powder, not at all. I'm not gonna even open it now. That was the last time I opened it. The foundation, I want to say that in the mirror I look a bit yellow after applying this. Like, while I applied it, it looked normal, but slowly it gave a little bit of pale effect on my face, like a bit yellow effect on my face. So for that, I think I won't use it. Like, the Fit Me foundation that I use is not scented. You can smell a bit of, foundation cream smell. You can, smell it. But in this, it feels like you are smelling a perfume. Like, it's that scented, which is not at all good for your skin. So I won't use these two products at all. So yes, that was it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, press the bell icon, and I see you in the next video. Bye.